Bro, this... Oh, there we go. Hey guys, Remix is here, and today we are doing some Watch Dogs. We're doing digital trips. This is my favorite one where we have to bounce. We get points for bouncing. That sucks. Go check out my channel. I'm also here with DaveMan214.
Yes. Try and check out my
link will be in the description to DaveMan214. But let's hope I can, yeah, this one's actually really hard for some reason. This one. This is where it gets hard.
Whoa!
I want to get at least more than one trophy.
Whoa! I'm flying!
Oh no! Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's so stupid. There we go. How can I not make this? That's not cool, man. Like, I don't understand why. Oh, jeez.
Oh, man!
Okay. Woo! That was really hard. For the longest time, I could not do that.
Why did you move?
Look how close I was.
My sister moved. I moved upstairs.
Fine, I want to do it.
Okay, let's just keep on doing this.
Sorry if we go quiet a little. Zach, Remix is needing to concentrate a little.
That was a good one.
Nathan, this is a mirror.
Great.
Nathan, look, this is a mirror. Come over. Nathan, come on.
Perfect. That was okay. That was not very good, to be honest. To me, it wasn't that good. Oh yeah, sucker.
Ha!
Wow, that was bad.
Whoa! Whoa!
Ups and daisy. There we go.
Ah!
No! How come I can't do that one?
Yeah!
That single one I cannot do. Slow down. There we go. Come on, man. Jeez, this is so hard, man. Try this, people.
Wow! Yeah!
Okay, sorry.
Okie dokie.
I could bounce off the mushroom. Flower.
Come on, let's make it to one trophy. Yes, we got a trophy.
Whoa! Whoa!
go. That one was a hard. We could probably make it to two trophies. Yep. So we just gotta make it to 3. Come on, we gotta make it to 3.
Leave a like if you don't think Zach can get the 3 trophies in this video.
Well, morning glory completed. Hey, 24,000. That's actually my highest score, I think, now.
Yeah, new record.
Let's keep going. I want to keep going on this until we can get to
3 trophies. At least.
yeah, until we can get at least to 12 or 10 minutes. Wait, where was I supposed to go?
I'm sorry, that was fun.
Oh, I'm supposed to go over here. Flip McNuggets. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Huh? What the?
Your butt like hit to the ground.
Tell me about it. Leave a like to save butts. Subscribe to save even more butts.
Okay, leave 1 like equals Zach to not remix not to rate that much. There we go.
Guys, let's try to get the 20 subs. We're at 15 right now.
I think we can get that, but not Zach. 3 trophies.
What the freak? How did that even work?
I don't know.
You know, that just sucks.
I'm fly like a guy on drugs.
There we go.
He looks like someone from the Polar Express, the guy with the long beard.
Oh yeah, he kind of does. There we go.
No, I'm thinking of the guy that was on top of the Polar Express.
Yes!
Where are we supposed to go there? Like, all I saw was dust.
You didn't see it? You were, like, if you moved like a couple of inches further, you would not.
Like, my guy just wants to go in different directions. Come on, a trophy. Let's get a trophy. What, Adam? I'm recording a video right now.
No, you have to look on Glide now. There you know that orange one. That orange map. It's available now.
I don't care, Adam.
There we go. Yeah, that's good. Got up just for Canyon. That's been out. Oh!
Sorry, guys. My brother likes to interrupt in videos.
Yeah, you got me confused. I'm like, wait, what?
My gosh! Dude! So hard. Well, 10 minutes. We haven't completed this yet.
20 subs will get Zach a remix separate.
I didn't even move my character. This one I'm having trouble on. There we go.
Yeah!
There we go. And not a trophy. No trophy. Nada. Nada, nada, nada. No trophy, no nothing.
Yeah.
Let's keep going. This is too fun, man.
Getting 20 subs on this video. Getting 20 subs will... One sub will stop remixes from raging.
True.
And if we get to 5 subs, he'll stop.
I mean, the tree was kind of in my way. How do you get that?
Go backwards.
You're like really good at parkour to get that.
Apparently that.
That was horrible. There we go.
Now you're really bad.
What the heck?
Not an opera.
I don't like opera.
Headphones.
Yo, did you see how many points I got there?
I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Oh, guys.
No.
Okay. I can't do any more of this, so let's just wake up. Yes, confirm I want to wake up.
Confirm. Waking up.
Do the other ones.
Oh.
There's different ones.
Okay, I'm awake. Give me a second. Okay, I'm awake.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is
Okay, so now I'm gonna turn this down real quick. Okay. Let's order a car. Order a car. Order a car. Oh, order a car. Order a car. Let's get a motorcycle.
Alright, she's all prepped and waiting just for you.
Alright, dum-dum.
The let's go! Dude, why did I order a motorcycle when there's a motorcycle right there? Woohoo! Let's go! Right. Oh, flip. Woo! What the freak, taxi?
Run.
breathe calm. Stay calm.
Oh, crap.
Jesus, where's my phone? I need my phone.
Our recent opinion poll has people overwhelmingly against the vigilantes.
Well, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode today. If you want to see some more Watch Dogs, please like and subscribe. If this video can get over 20 views, I will do some more of this dumb crap.
Try and check out my channel.
Go check out DaveMan214. Link will be in the description. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Bye.